Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign for the month of August. This is monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see recent past Sagittarius. Fire sign Sagittarius. Okay, let's see first your recent past. The Fool, Knight of Wands, wow, Ace of Pentacles. I think there is reconciliation for some already had happened in past, because the Fool and Ace of Pentacles, you person already offered Ace of Pentacles long-term commitment to you and they already rushed towards you already, or you want to offer this long-term commitment to your person. You already offered this and you both are in new beginning. Definitely lot of you, there is a reconciliation is already happened. I'm getting this is past energy, so this is past what has happened. So let's see your feelings towards them. One card is filled. See your feelings towards them. Six of Wands, of Three of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign. So your feelings towards them, definitely you want success with this person and you want to invest on this connection more because you are very serious about this connection. And a communication is also there between both of you. I think you both now you are in reconciliation. You both understand each other because you both want to work on this relationship. I am getting there are no issues till now. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Wow, courage. Sorry for the disturbance. Transformation. Trust. Rebirth, yes. You person also want to give this connection a chance, rebirth. They want to invest on this connection more and they are gaining their strength. Trust, definitely you have to trust this person because this person is trustworthy. Knight of Cups, they are coming to you, towards you. They want to offer long-term commitment to you. Transformation, you person undergo some transformation. So Death card, definitely you person transformed. He's not like a past person, he's now new person to you because he want reconciliation with you and he also wants success with you. You want success with them also. So I think this is very, very positive reading. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Seven of Swords. I want clarification card here for why 7. Ten of Wands. And another card. Nine of Wands. Clarification card for Nine of Wands. Justice. I think there are some issues I am getting. I think these issues are past already. They are overcome you because in past there are some burden between both of you, some sneak energy, but right now it is not there because your relationship got justice. You both want each other. I think past, I think you Sagittarius guarded, but now justice, reconciliation is already happened. Your person understands you, you're worthy, and they also want to invest on this connection I am getting. So yes, under the deck, the world cycles already ended. The Ten of Wands and the Seven of Swords cycles already getting ended. I'm getting because these are the past energies I'm getting. These are the now energies. So you person don't want to give up on this connection. Nine of Wands and Justice. They want to invest on this connection. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message. Sagittarius. Wow, guidance. 2 times 3 of Pentacles. You both want to work on this relationship. Mind. Page of Swords. Communication. You both are communicating. Wow, 10 of Pentacles, long term community, Ace of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. Stability is definitely coming in this connection. You both want each other. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level. There is no doubt about it. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius, for the month of August. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.